Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I've been at this site. They made a lot of progress, as you can see. I got rebar going up on the left side. I got walls in the back going up. I still have a machine in the dead center. And this is going to be the pit for the tower crane. That big hole you see way back there, that's the elevator pit. And while I was gone, this wall needed extra bracing. So as you see along that wall, the lower whalers, the lower braces, a lot's been done since I made the last video of this site. I try to get a big shot. Hold on. A lot has happened in New York City between the virus and the mobs rioting. So this job was shut down a few times. We're back in full force. Just a short video. I hope everybody is being safe out there. I've been in the city a lot lately, so I haven't been able to do any Hot Wheels work or any customized car work, but I'll start again soon. Anyway, everybody stay safe, God bless, and thanks for watching. Mike Espo.